Good morning and welcome to another milk review. Today we're going to review Alexandre Family Farm Organic A2A2 Milk VAT Pasteurization Extra Cream Top 6% milk fat. This looks like a very promising milk. Looks very high end. From Crescent, California. Digestible dairy. Certified regenerative. 6% butterfat, deeper, richer, 70% creamier than regular whole milk with a bunch of extra stuff. A2, A2, A1 free milk gives many people the freedom to enjoy dairy again. This is looking really this is a promising milk. Let's give it a shake because we have all that extra cream. I bought this at the store. It was pretty easy. Oh wow, like a show. Let's give it a smell. It smells really rich. Let's give it a pour. It's chunking out of there. Wow. Wow, smell. The cream level on this sounds like the description. 70% extra creamier. 6% milk fat. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's some real milk. That's very whole milk. This would be an awesome milk to drink every day. Like, I can only imagine how happy you would be in life if you drank this milk every day. And like one of these, 1.5 quarts, you probably kill this every day for just a great life. Yeah, that's awesome. It sounds just like how the description is. It's probably one of the creamiest milks I've ever had. The only thing, it kind of reminds me of drinking half and half, which I love. So that's a positive in my book. To drink a milk and have it be like half and half, but not called half and half, is something that I like. I think this is the first time I killed a glass on the milk review. So shout out Alexandre Farms. Thanks for watching and have a great life.